Mother's CMX Ceramic Wash Coat is the fastest way to a brilliantly clean, just coated liquidy-gloss appearance with the added benefit of a silicone dioxide nano-quartz protection. Combining powerful penetrating surfactants and state-of-the-art water-softening polymers with the unmatched hydrophobic properties of ceramic coatings, they've uncorked the real secret of vehicle maintenance. So the first step is to add Mother's Ceramic Wash Coat to a bucket. You're going to do that at a ratio of 1 ounce per gallon, and then you're just going to fill the bucket with water using the gravity pressure coming out of the end of the hose. Now you don't need to put your thumb over it or add any additional pressure. And remember, you're not looking for suds here. This is a different kind of wash. So the next step is simply just hose the car off. Make sure there's no loose dirt or debris on your car's finish. While working one area at a time, or as I like to think of it, one panel at a time, you're going to shampoo the vehicle with a clean sponge or wash mitt. This high-efficiency, low-sudsing lubricating formula dissolves, encapsulates, and suspends dull contaminants while neutralizing water spot-causing materials. This minimizes drying time and helps protect your vehicle from paint or wash-induced scratches and swirls, all while rinsing clean without streaking or spotting. Then you just rinse it thoroughly, dry it off with a clean microfiber towel. Environmentally friendly and pH neutral, this formula can be used as a bead booster over your existing ceramic coating, sealant, or wax, or even as a standalone quick coat on uncoated vehicles. You're actually putting a light ceramic coating on your vehicle while you're washing it. Washing and caring for your vehicle has never been easier. And remember, there's no shine like Mother's.